Overcome damaged nuts, bolts, and threads with the Craftsman 75-piece combination tap and die carbon steel set. This set makes it easy to remove imperfections from threads and includes a wide assortment of tools, taps, and dies that lets you get hardware back to spec. Each piece is made from hardened, precision-ground polished carbon, covered with a rust-resistant satin finish that makes smooth thread cuts with less friction. The set accommodates both SAE and metric sizes to help you whenever your hardware needs a breath of fresh life. The set includes 7 drive tools with accessories, 17 SAE plug taps, 17 SAE hex dies, 17 metric plug tabs, 17 metric hex dies, and this sturdy storage case with handle. Take control of your hardware needs with the Craftsman 75-piece combination tap and die carbon steel set. Quality, dependability, trust.
That's the kind of quality and performance you can expect from Craftsman.